This 2025 Heartland Cyclone 4008 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Manheim, Pennsylvania, 17545 and is offered for sale by RV Value Mart. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Heartland is 47 feet 0 inches in length and features a teak interior, sleeps 8, slide-out, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, loft, outdoor entertainment, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.